In the previous video I posted, I promised you guys that I'm going to be making a separate video on how to fill the Facebook content monetization beta invitation form. For the people that did not watch the video, right, it's all about the new monetization tool that Facebook introduced. They call it Facebook content monetization beta, right? So according to Facebook, if you join this particular program, you'll be able to earn through in-stream ads on reel, and performance bonus, all of them all together. So I'm going to be sharing how to fill the invitation form, right? This invitation form is actually for you to tell Facebook that you are interested in this program and you want them to invite you. So once they review your page and you're qualified to be invited, Facebook is going to invite you. They have invited millions of people to this program and they are ready to invite more millions of people, right? So all you just need to do is to tell them that you're interested and they are going to invite you. Alright, so I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to show you guys exactly how to fill this form step by step, right? But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazzy, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comments. So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? So the first thing we need to do is for us to go to Facebook, right? Because I will need to go and get that link. I just need to search for that Facebook or for content creators. This is actually a page for content creators, where Facebook shares some insight for content creators, which is the place they share that particular post. So let me go and look for the post. Okay, here is the post, right? So all I need right now is that I want to actually get this link, but you guys don't worry, I'm going to put this link in the description, right, so that you don't need to go this process for you to get it. So once I click on this link, right, and it takes me to Facebook's blog, right, which is here. So right here you can see this article they made on that particular program, right? They say Facebook content monetization better, simplify your earning, monetize more content, right? So if you want to actually tell them that you're interested, that is filling the form, all you need to do is just to click on this I'm interested right here. Once you tap on it, right, and then you allow it to load, you can see right here the root of Facebook content monetization beta interest form, right, which is the form. So all you need to do is to come right here and put your email, right? So after you have inserted your email, the next thing is for you to come and put your Facebook page or Facebook account URL right here. So once you put it, right, they will ask you other social media accounts. So basically I would like to put my YouTube link right there. So all I need to do is for me to just paste my YouTube link right here. Then once you put your other social media listing link, the next you need to do is to click on this let's do this. But basically, like, it's not a mode that it should be YouTube. If you are a content creator on Instagram, you can just paste it. If you are a content creator on TikTok, you can just get your profile link, your TikTok profile link. So what they need to do is for them to actually, if they review your Facebook URL and you don't have enough engagement, they can review your other social media platform to know if you have engagement there. So if you have engagement there, it will be easy for them to actually accept you. So the next thing you need to do is just to click on this let's do it, right? And you can see right here they say thank you for your interest in the Facebook content monetization beta, right? So the form submitted successfully, right? So this is exactly how to do. You just need to do this, so you to click on this OK, and that's all, guys. So just do your own step by step the same way I just did it, right? It's very simple, and if you are qualified, they are definitely going to invite you. So thank you all for watching this video, and see you in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found the video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And if this is your first time in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.